deszczyk zaczął kropić.
You can see what can happen. So if you can't just go back, the darker course is good enough to give you that much leave as well. So if you can, thanks very much.
No właśnie nie jedzie, bo...
Now folks, up the field we have blue bins. A lot of work goes into the bin, we appreciate it. If we were just any bit of rubbish, help us out if you can anyway, we appreciate the bins are there for your cleanliness. If you can be used, we appreciate it. So next up we have C14. So C14 is Ivan Scully.
To z której strony jest baba?
W kolorze.
A, widzę już.
And L40 has Suzuki GSXR. Okay, inside.
Teraz widać kto facet.
Up against B2, which is Paul Tolman.